Hello everyone and welcome to the Fusing Shop. In this video I'm going to be showing how to cut some tubing with a glass crack-off machine. The first thing I have is some 32mm heavy wall tubing in the machine. Right now what I'm doing is making a score line. Well, first what I'm doing is making sure that I'm not blocking the camera. Here we go, just moving it so you guys get a better view of what's going on. So what a crack-off machine is a machine that makes it easy to cut tubing. So this cuts it nice and clean, and it's easy to cut tubing quickly and the same length if you're doing a production run on something. So right now I'm just scoring the glass, and you can see that score line. And on the left here is the fire. It's a sharp pinpoint flame. I just need to make a quick adjust the length because I was cutting shorter pieces before. So that very fine flame goes into the tube, as I'm gonna show you in a minute. And then we shock the tube with a drop of water to crack it. So that goes in. You can see that cool little swirl as it went into the tube. And the fire is on the inside now, right where that line is. And we're going to take our dropper and just hit it with a drop of water. And you hear that beautiful glass cracking sound, which when you're using this machine is awesome to hear. And here is what the end of the tube looks like. You can see it's nice and clean. It looks just like a factory edge, which is on the other side. And boom, we cut that tube nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and do another demo cut. Now, while I'm doing that and getting set up, let's do the dad joke for this video. And it is, why did Eve want to move to New York? Because she fell for the Big Apple. Really cute. Alright, this is showing again the snapped edge. Nice and clean. I'm going to get it ready. Use the diamond tip to make the score line. And then we put the flame in the tube. Get the cool swirly pattern on the outside. And get our drop of water ready. Gotta let the flame get a little bit of heat into the tube. And boom. Cracked nice and clean. And here's the two pieces that I just cut. Here's a view of them laying down, so you can see that they are cut to the same exact length. And again, the nice clean cut edges. I decided to go ahead and do one more cut just for fun because I really like using the machine. It's so satisfying hearing the glass snap and watching it snap. Intentionally, that is. Just send in the flame. Let that pick up some heat. Get your drop of water ready. Boom. Nice clean crack. So fun to use. If you guys are in the New Jersey area, please come by the shop. And you could play with this machine and break some glass. And I'm just going to show this one more time on how it works. Here's the close-up view. And boom, you get a super easy, clean cut. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.